Sometimes I'm feeling high, but sometimes I'm feeling low. I wanna stay inside, I could call my bed my home. I've been trapped inside my mind, that's what keeps me in the zone.
What's up guys, in this video let's unbox Asus Zenfone 5Z and check out its structural integrity and glass quality of this latest flagship at budget price. Asus has released the Zenfone 5Z with the flagship Snapdragon 845 processor in direct competition to the likes of the ever popular OnePlus 6. And it tries to take the lead at least in cost by pricing it at Rs 6,000 below the OnePlus 6 at 29,999 for the 6 plus 64GB storage base variant. I have to say Asus has managed to score highly on the looks department of the 5Z with its almost bezel-less 19:9 screen ratio and a notch with a shiny back and distinct reflective pattern. Despite having an all-metal body, it feels rather light in hand and weighs just 165 grams, which is lighter than the Max Pro M1, Redmi Note 5 and Pro, all weighing about 180 grams. So being lighter, it should be interesting to see how it reacts to my bend force. It runs on its custom Zen UI skin, which is close to stock Android, but with some great Zen motion gestures like double tap to turn off screen, double tap or swipe up to wake, or flip down to mute call. Also some intelligent AI features like AI charging, AI ringtones and suggest apps, apart from new features like Zen emoji and beauty life. The camera is also full of features with an easy to use interface to change between various functions, and also has a proper dedicated Pro mode to manually change things like the ISO, shutter speed, white balance or focus. Pretty decent stuff. And as you can see from the samples, the picture quality seems to be promising, and apart from the main camera, it has a secondary wide angle lens which can also be helpful to take group selfies or pictures of large structures. Now starting with the scratch test, let's scratch up this unspecified version of Gorilla Glass with common items found in pockets like keys and coins, responsible for those faint marks which you see on your smartphones if you happen not to use screen protection. And lastly also with a heavy duty box cutter. Usually if the glass is of good quality, then at the most it ends up with a few faint marks from the key and coins and nothing from the blades. But in case of poor quality glass like the Realme One and Galaxy J6, the blades also leave some ugly scuff marks. So let's see if this glass is able to hold up to the blades. The Zenfone 5Z does pass the test, but it was surprising to see that even though the blades could cause no scuffing or damage to the glass, the key and coins did result in some permanent faint marks. So it's always a good idea to use tempered glass as protection against scratches or bad drops. Now moving on to the bend test, let's find out how this metallic built budget flagship is going to withstand my bend force. With excellent quality aluminium and a well-designed construction, the Asus Zenfone 5G was able to pass my bend test with a minimal bend degree and hardly any flex. In case of the Zenfone Max Pro, there were temporary kinks near the power case only during the bend, but nothing of the sort happened on the Zenfone 5G. It was able to survive the test without breaking a sweat. Stay tuned to catch more videos on latest devices. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.